Hi guys, I just figure I'd stop by to just make a quick video about chick chick. In a couple of my videos, the word chick chick came up and I just wanted to demonstrate to you what a chick chick is all about. So it's a balloon really. When it's broken, you use a piece of it to make like a little toy that you can like scrape in your hand. So I'll just demonstrate here. Okay, so here we have a balloon that's blown, fully blown. Then I'm gonna like, ow! Pop it. Even though I expected it, I still scream. Can never get used to it. So here's a piece of the broken balloon, right? So I just take it like this, stick my finger like this, and twist it. Hear that? As a kid, this is going to be your replacement for your balloon that popped. And then you just use your hand like this, and this sound is a blunt. It's blunt. I guess the materials are now different. But back in the day, when you do like this, it would say chick, 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 chick. It had a higher pitch. It was not as blunt as this. But this was like a substitute for a balloon that was popped. And this was like a child's heaven. Chick, chick. And then, of course, we'd get to the place where we'd probably make it last for as long as you possibly could. You'd tie, like twist the bottom and tie it like this, so you end up with a little thing like this. And this is chick chick.